The best piece of advice I'd ever gotten from a professional painter was to buy the very best brushes you can afford. Now, good paintbrushes are expensive, but if you take care of them, they'll last you a lifetime. Now, to make a brush last a lifetime, the first rule is that you have to clean it thoroughly after each and every use. But to make that job even easier, what I've discovered is if you prepare the brush before you use it, it makes cleanup really quick and easy. In this case, I'm going to take some masking tape. This is blue painter's tape, about 1.5 inches wide. I'm going to wrap it around the metal ferrule, which is the band that joins the handle to the bristles. I'm going to wrap it around the ferrule, overlapping the bristles by about 1/4 inch or so. And what that's going to do is prevent paint from seeping up and getting stuck in that joint between the metal and the bristles. Because when you dip it into the can, the paint will get in there and dry, and it'll be hard to clean it out. And then the next time you go to use the brush, the little dried paint chips will break off into your new paint finish. So when you're done painting, you just peel this off. What you'll discover is that you'll have a perfectly clean joint between the ferrule and the bristles. Then just clean the brush and store it properly, and it'll be ready to use the next project.